Oh my God, look what we got in the mail. I think it might have been Shop Disney. There was a huge coupon discount, like coupon codes and all that kind of stuff, a couple weeks ago. We took advantage of that from some stuff that was in our wish list. We're going to show you what we got.
We needed retail therapy.
We did. We had things happen in our lives that only retail therapy was going to temporarily fill the void.
Yeah, for like the 5 minutes we were shopping.
First thing we got is the Spirit jersey. It's one of those really soft ones.
The bottom part is fluffy.
And the top part's a Spirit
And the
jersey.
top part, yeah, normal Spirit jersey. But this one, I don't know if y'all have or have seen the white one. Hold on, I'll go get it. It was on the couch because I was wearing it the other day. This one
is soft.
It's really, really soft. It says it's 100% polyester. I don't really know what the one I'm wearing is because I
mean,
couldn't find
it's
it.
soft, but it's not the same softness. It's not the same.
No, but this one, like, there's really no, like, stretch to it. But this one, on the soft part, it's really stretchy.
It also looks different. This looks like a fuzzy bear, and this one looks like one of those polyester blankets you put on your bed.
Anyway, so I got this.
Steamboat Willie. It says Walt Disney, Mickey Mouse in big letters across the back.
And it's embroidered.
On the sale, this was originally $75, and we got it after all the coupons and everything for $39.37. We've had this in our wish list
Since it came out.
Yeah, so I was like, go ahead and get it because
I didn't want to pay $75. I paid $75 for this one.
This goes nicely with a set of PJ pants that she got, also in a Shop Disney order.
This was originally
$20, and through these sales, we got it for $10.49. Woot woot.
Yay for PJs.
I think this next thing might have been one of the best finds. Not because we've been dying to get this, but because of the sale that we got it on. Can you guess what it is?
It's a Loungefly mini backpack!
And it's the Pirates of the Caribbean themed one.
I haven't even taken it out of the bag yet.
Still in the plastic, still taped up and everything.
OMG, look at the dog.
So this was originally $75 on Shop Disney. After a couple of different coupons we had, we got it for $33.75. Ain't that nice? It was telling us we had to get it.
I'm just gonna open it.
Because she loves Loungefly now. Thanks, Mickey's girls.
Okay, here it is.
Look at that thing.
So it's got all different scenes from
I love this.
the ride.
It's got the guy who hangs his leg over and it just swings down there, and it's got the guy with the pigs, the dog's
There's
up
the
here.
dog.
There's Red.
There's Red.
There's the guys in the prison going.
It's got gold zippers and hardware. It says Disney Parks Loungefly. Inside, it's got the pirate and sword.
We found other bags that have the same style characters on them, and they all say Chibi.
I'm not in the know. Is Chibi a style?
I don't know if Chibi's a style or Chibis are the characters.
Chibi's the characters. On the inside, it has the typical zipper pocket in the back. And it has the regular, typical Loungefly zipper in the front with the same pattern in the front.
I'm just happy we got an excellent deal on this. $33.75 instead of $75. Dang. This next box has one item in it, and this is what convinced me to do a whole video here on what we got today. I already opened it, so I'm not opening on camera, but I haven't done anything. Get a load of this. Now this is a glass item. Look at Shop Disney's packaging on this. Bubble wrap on the top layer. Grab the item out. Wrapped in bubble wrap. Sitting on bubble wrap on both sides, and this thing here. Shop Disney, that is absolutely amazing.
Come on, Shop Disney. Why can't you do this all the time?
Look at, they put like an entire roll of bubble wrap in this thing.
I think they put an entire roll around this too.
Let's see if it's in one piece when we open it with all of our excitement and flabbergastation. Oh good, they got it zip tied on there.
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
What's
what the
that?
heck was that? Was the smoke?
Oh,
There's
what
not
the
even any
French
smoke
toast?
in there.
Oh, he's broken. All that wrapping and it was still
It was broken before they even put it in the box. There's supposed to be smoke on the front. It's the smokestack.
Oh, the stack. Like I don't see where.
No, it's not even in any of here.
Is it in the box at all?
No.
Ugh.
It broke before they even put it in here.
Well, here it is.
Well, they wrapped it nice, but the smokestack is broken off of it. Obviously before it came to us because it's not in
Not
any
even
of
in the box.
It's not in the box, it's not any of the bubble wrap or anything.
Because it was wrapped really good.
It was really wrapped. So I'm gonna have to call Shop Disney and see how I can get this resolved.
Stay tuned for that. But anyway, it's a Jungle Cruise cookie jar.
Be careful,
Mercy.
you break that thing off. Is it glued on?
Sweet baby
Oh,
cheese.
God. Golly, that thing's just falling apart.
Uh-oh. I don't know.
We are having issues with this thing. I'm not happy with this.
South real quick.
It was originally $55 and we paid $41.25 for it. And it's been in our cart for however long and it kept going out of stock and coming back in stock.
But he's cute other than the
Yeah.
smokestack being gone. We'll let you know what Disney says.
What'd you think of our haul? Did you take advantage of the sale that went on a couple weeks ago?
Do you practice retail therapy when you're feeling down?
Put it in the comments below. But until then, remember, no capes. I just got off the phone with Shop Disney. She actually gave me the option of either exchanging it for something else that we might want that was kind of similar in price, or just to give us a full refund, and I chose the full refund. But she also put in the stipulation that we do not have to return it, but they also gave me a free shipping code for next time we order something. So thank you very much to Shop Disney for taking care of that and not giving us any hassle about having to return it. Unfortunately, we have a broken item. Fortunately, we got our money back and a free shipping code for next time. Oh my God, look what we got. Oh.
It still has the tag on it.
You might need to take it out of the bag.
I don't want to take it out of the bag.
Why not?
I don't know. Just cause.
Let's start with your box. When we did that, I bet it went boom in the camera.
Sorry to give y'all an earthquake.
Earthquake! It's like Star Trek. On Star Trek, they shook the camera and not the stage. So all the people would like jump off stage and be like...
Are you done?
Yes, I'm done.
Baby Yoda do 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 do, baby Yoda do 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 do.
No capes!